Draft a sewing pattern for a witch's hat. Creating a custom-sized witch's hat pattern for Halloween is not only a creative endeavor but also a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your costume. Measure around the temple area of the head. Mark down your measurement. This measurement is the circumference. Calculate the radius for the circumference. The formula, r equals c divided by 2 asterisk pi r is the radius of the circle. C is the circumference of the circle. Pi is a mathematical constant approximately equal to 3.14159. Or you can use the sewing calculator on itssostylish.com to quickly calculate the radius or circumstance for any circle sewing pattern. For the brim, draw a perpendicular and vertical line at a right angle. Mark off the radius on both. Mark off the width of the brim. Add seam allowance. Cut out the pattern and mark the center front which you place to the fold. For the peak, draw a perpendicular and vertical line at a right angle. Mark 60 cm on the perpendicular line for adults, 50 cm for teens and 45 cm for kids. The vertical line must be 1/4 the measurement of the circumference. Curve the baseline to the center front line by 1 cm. Add seam allowance.